Hello! Thanks for joining lotocast. We are happy to have you. While your application is being approved, let me show you how to set up your account. First, go to the top right corner and click Get Started. Here, you can enter your email address, your display name, and your password. Here you're prompted to create your username. Note, your username will be part of the URL to your profile, so make sure to pick one that best represents you. As an artist, make sure to select I'm an artist, as this will allow you to create your artist profile. Before you click Sign Up, please make sure you review the terms of service. As a lotocast team, we want to let you know that as an artist you retain all ownership rights in your user content, and when uploading, your content must meet the criteria outlined in the Upload Guidelines and Policies page. After you've completed reviewing the terms of service, you are free to click Sign Up. To start the verification process, click Get Verified. After clicking Get Verified, you should see the information you entered when creating an account. Check if this is correct. If not, edit as needed. Click Continue when finished. In the first text field, enter your artist/band name and click Search. If your artist/band name is already in the system, select it. If not, leave it as is. Below, enter your phone number and select your affiliation to the artist. If you are a recording artist, band member, or a podcast, select artist/band member. If you are a manager or label, select those respective options. If you are a radio station or don't fit any of the above categories, you can simply click Other. Below, you can explain your relationship to the artist and provide an artist/band link so we can review your content. To speed up the verification process, you can connect your artist/band's Facebook or upload a PNG image of your driver's license or any other government-issued ID. Once complete, if you agree to follow the upload guidelines and policies and have the legal right to upload content for this artist, click the box below and then click Agree and get verified. Now you're one step closer to being approved. Wait 1 to 2 business days and you should receive an email of your approval.